Team Chelsea's Tech 874. We're out in Bolingbrook. Homeowners looking to replace furnace and possibly AC. Existing is a 21-inch cabinet, 100,000 BTU, and single stage, 90%er. Your return drop's coming in at 24 by 10. Forgot to check the filter. I want to say the filter is probably 25 by 4. Yeah. I don't know. It might be bolted shut. I'm not sure. There was an electronic air cleaner. I'll get some measurements on that. And then your supply. Your main supply is basically 20 by 20, and then you got a trunk there. That's probably like a 20 by 12 or 14 or something. We are in the basement. Best path of access. Let's see. So yeah, equipment there. And stairs here. Okay, keep in mind, guys, stairs. The square footage of this home is about 5,600, so just these are the stairs that need to be covered, protected, so you can kind of see your path of access to the equipment. And there is the front door. So this would there's also a side door. So we'll figure out what's the best way in. So that side door might actually be better. I'll move back down the stairs. Your breaker box is on the other end of the basement. 2 systems in this home. Right now, this one's just for the basement. There's your furnace. And there's your breaker box. I did not have a look at this, so let's see. Anyway, Siemens AC for 3rd floor, double pole, 50 amps. And there's 2 ACs. So anyway, I'll grab some pictures of this and we'll take it from there. All right, Chelsea's Tech 874 out.